told me that you're hopeful that I end up heartbroken. No more starting over again. You took my pride from me, look me in the eyes, told me I can't hide it anymore. Every time you lie, it kills me more. Just walk through that door and never come back again. You don't have to tell me it's the end. And the sad thing was, you were my best friend. You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane. Don't need nobody hurting me, so get out of my life. You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane. Don't need nobody hurting me, so get out of my life. You telling lies to me every time you ride with me. You must have me confused with that nigga you couldn't refuse. You a bitch trying to leave me, so stupid I couldn't see. A fool you made of me. You're running now, a lost to time. Please tell me that that's not my baby. That's not my baby. You tell me that you're good, but bitch I wish you would come around. You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane. Don't need nobody hurting me, so get out of my life. You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane.
You driving me crazy for real. Just do you, boo boo. For real, I need you out of my life. ASAP.
Get out of my life.
Coming back with the flow when I'm asking you, girl, what you call that? I know what you did, I saw that. You think you the shit like you all that. You tell your nigga he can fall back. When I called 2 times and I caught you lying, you think you run shit around here. You talking a lot, but you don't sound clear. I can't even hide the fact that your heart is what I'm holding. Deep down inside, my heart is kinda broken. I'm out here choking. I think it's kinda rude, the shit you're trying to do. You're taking a piece of my life. You wasting my damn time.
You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane. Don't need nobody hurting me, so get out of my life. You got my heart broken. You got my mind insane. Don't need nobody hurting me, so get out of my life. You and me was incredibly awful. We were so awful. You and me was incredibly awful.